The greatest thing that we're looking upon is the results. We need the results as Mamelodi Sundowns. We need 3 points. And congratulations for the team to win the 3 points. Because I thought it will be difficult to win against Stellenbosch. It is a great performing team with great consistency. Judging them from the previous seasons, they have been doing the same. But looking them in the log currently, they seem like they still finding their rhythm. They are not yet there. But we always have the difficult game when we face Stellenbosch. And I was thought that their scoring machine, Philly or Pili, was going to start the game and was going to trouble Mamelodi Sundowns in that side of Morena. And I'm glad Morena is back, finding his fitness, and he's going to be fit soon. I hope so, because that is our player that has been performing well in those positions, be it the right back, in the striker, in the wing. Morena is performing, so I'm glad that he's back. I thought they would put their scoring machine, a feel to Opili. I'm not sure how to pronounce his surname, because he has a speed. He's a dribbling wizard, and he has a good target. He got an eye for a goal. It's good to see him entering the box. So and the change of Mujela, you would see that it hyped the game. He tried to make some great promising changes there. They they were trying now to find the space, try to enter the box with the ball. But that combination of Khoza and Cupindo needs to be encouraged. And I am happy for them to perform like this. I'm happy for Khoza to perform well and eventually being recognized as an outstanding player in that game. Got a title of man of the match. Congratulations and well done to him. It proves that now he is back, he is finding his rhythm, he is gelling well with the team, he's helping the team well. And it's good to see him doing that. We watched Khoza when he was playing in Bafana Bafana recently. He was used in the midfield. He was the CM there, and you would see him shooting, bowling other CMs there and trying to enter the box. It's good to see him playing the different role and excelling in that role. He helped Bafana Bafana there. And now he is back in the Bafana in Mamelodi Sundowns starting 11 and having this great performance together with Cupindo. Because one thing the players needs to master, because in football, you gel with that personnel and that personnel. That is football. Sometimes it is impossible to gel with everyone you are playing with. But as a footballer, you must find a solution to try and gel with anyone that you are in starting 11 with. Because together, you need to help the team win the games, find the the suitable results that favor the team. So it's good to see them. It's good to see them combining and finding the good results. And another thing, maybe it is unfair to expect Sundowns to perform in their best level. We watched them playing a very beautiful game, a Sundowns way, when they were playing in the Club World Cup. And I think all of us, we expected them to come back and give us the same performance, same pace, same tempo of the game. That is impossible. I think they need now to rest enough and come back with the fresh legs and help the team again. And it's good to see them winning the games with their bad performance. Because for now, they are not performing good. They are not playing the Sundowns way. But they are finding good results. That helps the team. Because now we are, in the log, I think we are position 3 or 4. Which is good, judging their performance. Because the plan of the coach, I think, was to defend in the last minutes. Because he put so many defenders. And it is shocking to see this kind of plan. And I think maybe he was looking to maintain those results. I think that was the aim. To grab the 3 points. Let us just defend. But that's unlike Sundowns. I don't clap hands for a game plan that is defensive. With the personnel that plays much a defensive football. Where we don't enter much the box. Where we don't trigger and influence the game that is forward and finding our rhythm, not playing a backward balls, but we find spaces and we keep on coming. Yeah. But all the best and well done to Sundowns for grabbing 3 points. Mdaka in that position is going to be a key defender. He's playing well, he's performing well, and he has been lifting the hand because he's a great defender. Stellenbosch is the institution that improves more the performance of the players. And it's good to see them continuing to do that. Titus is the key player now for Stellenbosch, and we are expecting Titus to perform well each and every game. And sometimes we will judge him unfairly because he's not the only player to perform good, but because he is now the key player. Other teammates that were playing with him already left the team. So now he needs to set up the pace, be a good example, and find the positive results for Stellenbosch. We are expecting much from him. Yes, he didn't play 10 out of 10. It was 7 out of 10. But it was good to see him continuing with the good performance. And lastly, well done to Shalulile for reaching this milestone. He deserves everything of the best, and congratulations to Shasha. And I wish to see him more in the field and scoring again. We are missing the Shalulile that he is scoring machine. he enter the box and tap in the ball and score. Well done to him to eventually be now the #1 top goal scorer in the PSL.